Welcome to video number 2 for the Siamese Cat Song from Walt Disney's Lady and the Tramp. In this video, we are going to break down and learn measures 1 through 4, okay? So remember, this is a treble clef, and everything on this treble clef staff is played with your right hand, okay? And we're going to take this one note at a time. And then this is the bass clef, and everything that's played on this bass clef staff is left hand. Anytime you hear me say the grand staff, that means both the left and the right hand. So we got right hand up here, left hand down here. All right, let's take this one note at a time. Our first note is a quarter note, and that note is D, okay? So we have right index finger D. Then we're going to move to our left hand, and we have another quarter note, and that note is going to be played with our left index finger, and that's B. And then we have the same B 3 times. See, notice all of these notes are just above this top line, which is the A line. So this is B in the B space. B, B, and B, okay? So any note that's here, right here, and it has no sharp or flat. If you don't know sharps or flat, don't worry about it. We'll learn that later. These are going to be B. So B, B, B. And remember, these colored in notes, they're dark, they're quarter notes. They get 1 count. So B is 1, B is 2, B is 3. So 1, 2, 3. All right, next we go back to the right hand and we play D again. So that's 1 count, quarter note D. We're going to play that with our right index finger here. Then we're going to play B 3 more times. B, B, B. And then we go back to D. And then here we have another B. And this note, the type of note or the count is going to be 3 counts. But actually it's going to be more than 3 because it's tied to another note, and I'm gonna talk about that in just a second. This is a dotted half note. Now, without the dot, a half note gets 2 counts. But when we add this dot, the dot is an extra count. So it's 3 counts. And then we tie it with what we call a whole note. And a whole note is just a hollow note with no line connecting, no stem like the quarter notes have, or this dotted half note has a stem. That line is a stem, but this whole note doesn't have a stem. And this whole note is going to get 4 counts. So we're going to add them together because this curved line right here is called a tie. And that means we add both together. So we don't play these as 2 different notes, but you're going to add them all together. And so it's going to be 7 counts. So when we play this B at the end, we're going to count to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then let go. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and play through it slowly. First we have D, B, 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 D, B, 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 D, B. And that last B, we hold it for 7 counts. All right. So that's taking it slow in more of a detailed manner. Now what I want to do, I want to play this in rhythm or in time. And we're going to play it 5 times back to back. And you're not going to move on to the next video until you can play this correctly. Don't just play it 5 times, but play it correctly 5 times. Okay? So, ready? Here we go.
1, 2, set, go.
All right, that's 1. Here's 2.
1, 2, set, go.
Here's 3.
1, 2, set, go.
Right, here's 4.
1, 2, set, go.
And here's the last one.
1, 2, set, go.
All right, so once you're able to play that 4 times correctly, then you're ready to move on to the next video.